Hi, I'm Jake from Northside Custom Crafts,
I'm Jen from 7 Mile Designs.
and today we're going to make this sign with her logo on it. Here we go. Here we go. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay. So here's the sign we're going to make. I'm going to do it on Aspire, but you can do it on VCarve Pro. It's just a simple thing to do. We're going to go to the computer. If you don't like that stuff, I'm going to put a timestamp and a time right here. Let's go to the computer. Here we are at the home screen of Aspire. We're going to come over here to create a new file. I've already put in the dimensions of the wood right here. It's 12 by 12 by an inch thick. It's single-sided. Z0 position is going to be the top of the material. The X and Y position is going to be the lower left-hand corner. And we're going to hit OK. And I need 7 Mile Designs logo, so I've already stolen that off her website. Sorry, Jen. And then you go to this file up here, import bitmap for tracing. You hit that, and here's her logo. So we'll open that, and we need to change this into vectors. So to do that real quick, we go over to this little birdie right here, click on that, and I think I'm going to leave everything where it's at and hit preview, and that looks pretty good. We're going to apply it, hit close, and here we are. So I'm going to click on this, and I'm going to get rid of the background colors. Done. What I need to do is put guidelines out here so I can know when I'm exactly center of the material. Click on that. I'm going to ungroup these first because this square around here is not centered around it. So I'm going to ungroup all this stuff by hitting right click, and I'm going to ungroup that, ungroup back to original layers, and I'm going to click out here. I'm going to click that and erase it. So now I'm going to regroup all these. Right click, group objects, and there we are. Now I want to make this a little bit bigger. So that's about it. So now click off of that. I need to make another square around it because we're going to do a VCarve. So we make a, grab your rectangle, your square tool, come over here and make it just close. We're going to clean that up after. So just make it close to even. And there we go. Now we want to group that with that. So we hit shift. Oh, let's get out of this square first. That's already clicked. So we're going to hit shift, and then we're going to click on the logo, and then we're going to group them. Pretty simple. So we're already ready to get a toolpath going. So we pin that there and go straight to VCarve. And our start depth is going to be at the surface of the material, flat depth. We just want this to go 0.08. And for the fine stuff, we're going to use a 30-degree V-bit, and that's already selected. And we're going to come over here. We're going to use a big clearance tool first. So we're going to go to a 1/4 inch end mill, and we're going to select that and hit calculate. And slow us down a little bit for fun. And we're going to preview visible toolpaths. We can look in here and kind of blow this up a little bit, and you can see where it's not really getting in between these letters that well, and in this little tiny slot right there, it's not very good. So I'm gonna go to a smaller tool on the next tool path. So we're gonna close that, and I'm gonna go back to VCarve, and I'm gonna change the flat area clearance tool to a really tiny one. Is a 1/16 of an inch end mill, and I'm gonna hit that. And calculate. Now we just want the flat tool, we don't want to do the VCarve again, so I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna unclick that, and I'm gonna delete it right now. Delete this. So now we'll look at what that tiny little tool is going to do, and we can already tell it's going to be a little bit longer tool path, but it'll make it turn out that much better. Of course, I didn't show it that good, but we can zoom back in on this, and all those spots that it was not very good before, it's way better now. So a little bit of time of the machine cutting is worth it to me. So all I'm gonna do now, get that back down, I'm gonna close this, and I'm gonna save these tool paths, and I want to start off with the big one, end mill 2.5, save tool path. I'm gonna name it 2.5 end, and then we're gonna go to this one, the second one, save tool path 0.62 end, and then we go to the VCarve one, save tool path, and I'll put 30V on it. So there's my tool path. I'm gonna put it on jump drive, and we're gonna go out to the shop. So we're in the shop now, and I have my jump drive. That's what we saved it to, and we have this material here. It's mahogany, and I painted it.
No, 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 no.
Relax, everybody. It'll be all right. And all we have to do is we're gonna wedge it in there and set the machine up. If you need a tutorial on how to do that, I'll put a video up there. And let's start some music. Here we go.
I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. I wanna drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest. Blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna I feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. I wanna drive a faster car. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make...
So here's the sign we made. It was a lot of fun to make. I'll put all of her information in the links below. I'll put Laguna's information in the links below if you have any questions I can't answer. That's it for today. We'll see y'all next time. Y'all be good.
Well, not the farmer. I'm nervous.
Don't you have to say this? Ready? I say ready like 50 times. Aspire software. If you don't like the software, I knew it's too good to be true last time.
This town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me.